Hey y'all. Um I just I just been in here just um thanking God for my mama and letting her know that I honor her and adore her and so much. And I made me some quick to eat. Let me show y'all what I made. I made me some catfish strips and I cut up some potatoes and made me some wedges. And that's what I'm gonna eat right now. And I'm probably gonna give plate to my neighbor. Um, yeah, but that's what I'm having for dinner tonight. Not just these wedges that I cut up. I don't know how many potatoes I cut up, like 4, 5 small potatoes. And then I fried these catfish uh, strips. So yeah. I got an air fryer, but I've had it since last year. I'm just really that good with that. The only thing I cooked in my air fryer was some tortillas for my tacos. I air fried them. But I'm not really an air fryer cooker because I cook, like I do this. And so, but and I don't have no room for it. It's big. And, because it's an oven and a microwave too. Like, a rotisserie and everything. But yeah, this is what I had today. Well, I'm about to have. I'm gonna get some hot sauce and some ketchup. And this is my plate right here. I'm putting no fish on my plate yet. But yeah. And this is like, what else? I think this, yeah, it's like all I ate like today. So. And now that I gotta be careful with the spicy food because I have colitis, but I don't eat spicy food every day. So, and I'm learning to let go of meat, but I do like me some hot sauce. I mean, I'm Boricua Morena, okay? I like it hot. Yeah, I need some ketchup. And I still got this pineapple. I still got this pineapple in the refrigerator. I forgot. I still had that. So yeah. Yeah, my sister in Texas had got me these catfish nuggets strips. I ain't never had no catfish strips before. First time. So yeah, y'all, this is my meal. Some catfish strips and some fried potato wedges. That's what I'm gonna be eating on today. Yeah. And yeah, and I'm gonna give me something to drink. I ain't gonna say what, but it's gonna be something refreshing. I'm not perfect, y'all. Baby steps, baby steps. All right, y'all have a great night and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. And thank the Lord for it, because without Him, there would be no us. All right, bye, y'all.